I'm the realest one that's reppin'. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always reppin'. Oh my God.
What up, guys? Welcome back to NBD Vlogs. I know it's been a little while since I've uploaded. Long story. Right now I'm currently on my way to work, as you can see. Got my vest on, hat. Last time I uploaded, last you guys should have known was that I was working at Honda. I no longer work at Honda. I didn't get fired. I actually quit. Walked out on our lunch break, actually, because it got really rough with some of the people there, just getting on my nerves. Not all of them. There was a few people there that I had no problem working with, and they were always chill and everything. But it was a bitch working that job. And now I'm making just a little bit less an hour. I'm not going to say how much I make where I work now or how much I did make at Honda, but I'm only making a little bit less an hour, so it's not really hurting me too much. It hurt me a lot when I was out of work for 2 months. And you guys are probably thinking, oh, well, you were out of work for 2 months. Could have uploaded or recorded and uploaded then. I mean, I could have, but it would have been honestly just the same thing, because I had no money, no gas in my car, and Chris has been working. Austin moved away. Speaking of Austin, I just passed his mom. But I ended up getting this job. I got hired the day that I applied, which it was great, because I went to an open interview. Actually, I take it back. I got hired the day after I applied, because I put in an application on Indeed. Then I got a message back saying they had open interviews the next day, so I went to the open interviews. And then they sent me to the actual location I'd be working at, which isn't too far from my house. And from there, they sent me to go get a drug test. After I took the drug test, my start date was the next day. So, yeah. And God, I haven't really recorded in a while. It feels kind of weird. Guess I'll turn the radio down a little bit. Wait for this traffic. I am actually waiting on a package, which I can do an unboxing of in this video. But like I did say, I'm on my way to work right now, so I won't be able to do that part till later on tonight when I get off. I mean, it's no big deal. For you guys, it'll just be another glyph in the video. And those of you guys that don't know, I did end up starting another channel. I will link it in the description. It is strictly a gaming channel. It's mostly going to be like Valorant, LSPDFR, just stuff like that, 5M. Haven't really played Valorant in a little while, so once I actually get this package today, I planned on getting back into Valorant. Brian, I think you guys know him. He's my brother. Last week or the week before, he was like, "Hey, get on Valorant." I asked him, like, why? He said, "Wait, do you not want to?" I told him, I'm like, I haven't played Valorant in almost 2 months. What makes you think I want to play Valorant? He was like, oh, okay. But me, him, and our other brother, Cody, we've been doing a whole bunch of stuff with LSPDFR. Haven't actually recorded any of it. I guess the stuff we've been doing isn't necessarily together, but it is at the same time, because we're all in Discord having just stupid conversations about like plugins and stuff that we're using. And quite honestly, it's not too bad of game. Just most of your time you're probably going to spend putting in plugins. Like, I have a 1 terabyte SSD. It's got the modded version of GTA, the regular version of GTA as a backup, and then the rest of it's just all the mods that I've downloaded, and it's full. So, yeah, there's that. And also, if you're wondering why the camera's so low, well, I am driving. So I'm trying to keep hand on the wheel and camera out of sight in case I pass a cop. Haven't really done a solo vlog while driving. Usually I have someone else in here. Oh, that's nice. My check engine light's on. Damn, check engine light. I guess I'll have to check that when I get to work, because I have a scanner, so I'll check that. But yeah, basically what I'm doing is driving to work. Usually whenever I'm driving and recording, I have someone in the car, like Chris or Jacob, which me and Jacob, it's not that we don't, I don't even really know how to explain all that shit. Yeah, you guys probably not gonna see him in a video again. I'm not gonna get into all of that though, because what's done's done, and gotta be a grown man and just leave that shit in the past where it is. Sketchy bridge. Well, off of it now. Guess I could have flipped that a little bit sooner. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but I got a check engine light on, tire pressure light on, and an airbag light. Airbag light is recall. Tire pressure light is a faulty sensor. Check engine light, we'll find out. Yeah. And update about the job. Can't really, well, I don't know if I can say what it is, but I won't say the name of the place. I'll just say what we do. So we just do like the accessories and like the decals that get put on cars. And quite honestly, I love this job. It is probably one of the easiest jobs I have ever had. And I worked in a movie theater in the ropes course. I'm pretty certain that's where I worked when I started this channel. And here I am, 3 jobs later. So I went from the movie theater to Sonic, then from Sonic to Honda, and then from Honda to here. So yeah, that's nice. But since I am almost to work, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the camera for right now. I'll pick it up either when I'm running my check engine light or when I get off of work. We shall find out. But I'll see you guys whenever I pick up the camera again. Alrighty guys, so I guess I am gonna go ahead and show you guys what the code on my car says. I got a Blue Driver OBD2 scanner. Go ahead and do the check engine light. and we'll see what it is. Could be as simple as a spark plug. 138,000? No, that's not correct. That is 139,362. Alright. Thermostat rationality. Replace engine coolant thermostat. Yeah. I'm not doing that shit. That's gonna have to be a mechanic. I don't know how to do that. That's a bitch. Yeah. You guys might see too, seatbelt light is now on. I'm not moving. I'm in a parking lot. I'm fine having my seatbelt off. Oh, I guess I should probably zoom out. Don't need to see up my nostrils. So yeah, I'm fine having my seatbelt off. But someone's honking. Oh, yeah, they're moving cars. But one of the things I like about this job is this is my uniform. I don't have to wear solid white. I just have to wear a reflective vest, my hat, and my glasses. And steel toe shoes, I think. I just wear them because I don't know if we actually have to, but that's what I wear. Yeah, guess I will actually go ahead and pick up this camera after work or on lunch. We shall find out whenever I feel like it. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, this is going to be the unboxing portion of the video. Well, more like, I guess, unbagging. This is how it came. Go ahead and get this set up. See what all you guys can see. Well, I guess that works too. Slip my knifey poo back in my pocket. There is the box, and there's nothing else in the bag. So this is the Elgato Stream Deck. This is the white edition. I got the 15 key Stream Deck. Everything seems kind of self-explanatory with what it is. I bought it, so I must at least know what it is. Let's angle that down a little bit. So those of you guys who don't know what a Stream Deck is, it is actually, well, partially what it sounds like. You can use it to help with your live streams and everything that you do. But you could also set it up to use it in certain games. I don't know if all games have stuff for it, but I will be finding that out here in a little bit. Let's go ahead and open it. Actually, this is a lot smaller than I imagined it would be. So, this right here is the Stream Deck itself. Actually, let's go ahead and take the lid, just slide that kind of back on there. Because I heard that you can take the front off. Is that true? Oh, you can. So yeah, front comes off. And I was told there was a way you could also take off the very front and like replace the front panel, which I don't have a replacement, so I'm not going to take it off in case I break it. I mean, so far just looks tiny. Just reaching over, just click, click, Alright. So I'm going to put the camera back down for a second. Go ahead and open the rest of the box. I do like the packaging of how they had everything in here. Like, can we just get another shot of this? Like how you open it and this is what you see. It's got the Stream Deck. You go ahead and slide that out. And then right here, I assume is the power cable, and it sounds like that's exactly what it is. Because it's just kind of flopping around. So let's go ahead and get into it. So let's get into it. Come on. Alright. So in here, first off, got the power cable that obviously need in order to use this. It's USB-C, which is nice because that means if I ever need it for anything else, then I can use it. Alright, so this is not in English at all. So we're just going to toss that book to the side. What is this? Alright, cool. Thanks, simple enough. It's just telling me now downloading the app on my computer, so that way I can actually use this. What we're going to do is take this and just slide that. Actually, we'll put that right back in the part of the box that it came from, and we will close the box up. As you guys can just see, it's just slowly falling, and it's done. And push it. It's fine. Cool. I feel like if it fell open again, it was going to be a problem, but in reality, it's just a basically empty box. It's not going to hurt anything. So, what I'm going to do is, go ahead and get this all hooked up and everything, and then we will go on to that part of the video. So give me just a minute. Alrighty guys, so I do have the Stream Deck plugged in. As you can see, it's got the Elgato logo on there. And I do believe I forgot to mention as well, this is the Stream Deck MK2, not the regular Stream Deck. This is the newest version of it. But I am going to switch to recording on my computer, so I can attempt to get everything out there. Alrighty guys, so here we are on the computer. We're on the Elgato website. So I already have the app installed, but I'm still going to go ahead and show you guys where you would go. So I believe you would go to Stream Deck, the MK2. Actually, I lied. You go to Downloads. And then you scroll down, click to select your product, scroll down and click the version of the Stream Deck that you do have, which I have the MK2, and then I'd click Windows, and then click Download. But like I said, I already have it installed. So what I'm going to do is actually open it, if I can find it. I don't know where it's at. Oh, never mind, found it. Actually, might have to switch the window. Yep, sure do. So properties. Let's go ahead and switch this to the Stream Deck app. Go ahead and make that like
that so you guys could see. So as you see, this is currently the Stream Deck that I'm using. And I will actually go ahead and pull this up. There's this Stream Deck, which says welcome in the middle, little blue box. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but then up here says the exact same thing. So then, basically what you would just do is set it up how you want. First off, I'm going to get rid of the welcome folder or welcome button, because I actually don't think it does anything. Oh wait, oh, it just brings you to a website to actually deal with it. Cool. I wish there was a way I could just like capture this whole monitor, but enough about that. What we're going to do is go ahead and find some stuff to put in here. I will do the voice changer here in a little bit, because I do want to mess with that. So we're going to do stuff from the, well, first off, like I said, we're going to delete this and just get rid of it. See if I can actually set this up to work like I want it to. Yep, display capture, there we go. That'll work fantastically. So turn off window capture, and then take this and put it below my camera, and there we go. Now you guys should be able to see everything that I see. So yeah, now I got in the background still the Elgato website. But what we're going to do, let's go ahead and add a stream key. Can I not like make it go? Oh wait, I can. I am going to actually change these logos to just not right here. So we're going to finish with that. Actually, let's see. Yes, edit profile. We're going to rename this. Go. Alright, so this will be the Streamlabs profile. Just so that way I have all my stuff set up. I don't actually know what to do with the scene buttons. Now let's just I want to press this this button right here. I'm gonna press it on the Stream Deck and see what it's actually gonna do. I don't think it's going to actually mess with anything. I think it's just gonna open Streamlabs, so we'll find out. I pressed it. And it's not doing anything. I'll have to see how to actually set this up then. Because it's not doing anything. Unless it's not opening because OBS is open. So let's see. Let's just see if it'll open. Okay, so it does open. It opened on another monitor. I can't even see what I'm recording right this second. Because Streamlabs decided to overlap it. And it won't let me move it. Alright, come on. So close. Alright. That's now. How many scenes do I have? Got 1, 2. Oh god. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, 1. I'll do this fun way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this will be the starting screen. Actually, no, it will not. This will be the live screen. This will be the starting screen. Go ahead and title this so I don't forget. Live screen. This is start. Oh, didn't mean to put a space. Starting soon. Yep, gotta do this. Soon. This will be the back soon. Just put that as a good old BRB. Then this will be the ending screen. Oh, nope, didn't mean to do that. So yeah, that's gonna be all for this part. This clip right here is already almost 10 minutes long. Alright. So yeah, I could show you guys me setting up the whole thing, but that's gonna take a while. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up ending this right here, and I'll do a different video showing what all I've added, but right now this is all I'm gonna have recorded just because I want to make sure I get everything and make sure I get it all the right way. So, thank you everybody for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to, or if you're bored. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.